going in John Lewis. Yay! So, Dad, haven't I just recorded a video in Waitrose? So now we're going in John Lewis. Ooh, mushrooms. Smelly candle.
That's what was within your...
In my what? Should we get some, like, I don't know. But I don't really like jelly beans. I don't like them at all. Well, yeah. The M&M's are better. Yeah. See? Just like turns. So that's it. But we're not on. Then we have the on and off switch. And then it should light up. Come on, light up. Light up for me. So oh, there we go. See, it's kind of glowing. There we go. So it's not Mr. Barbie part anymore. We'll get pulled off. They're crazy candles. Crazy. They're really big and fat. Are these heavy? Yeah, they're heavy. They're heavy. What smelly candles we getting today then, Dad?
2 times smelly candles.
What did you say? Two tubs.
2
Two times. No, there's no one at a till. So. Other stuff. Dad, I think it's so creepy to show upstairs.
No, we're not messing about, we're going to get back.
I'm pretty hungry.
Yeah, so 15 pounds. Do you open it back? No.
Stuff. Really? Ooh, look at all this. Like, look at this lollipop. It's in shape of a jelly bean. And we have these crazy things, eggs. Yeah, coming. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. So